Programmer. Welcome to second part of machine learning. So seven step of machine learning. So basically I will explain the all the seven step. These seven steps should follow to create any machine learning model. So model will build generalized model. So these are the seven steps. Whenever we will do the practical part, whenever if we will do for every algorithm, we will perform some tasks like we will build it up. There will be various type of data sets like diabetes prediction, heart attack prediction, breast cancer, or car classification, or house price prediction. This is the basic example of the data set. We will have the data set, and from there we will predict or we will classify the type of the problem statement will be there. Okay, so these are the basically seven steps of the machine learning. This is the first step is the gathering of data. What do you mean by gathering of data? So there are various sources like we can use like GitHub, we can use Kaggle for like Kaggle there is so much competition it is there. So Kaggle, from Kaggle also we can import the data. So basically if you are doing for your manually part, suppose if you are working in the company, then from where will you will get the data, you will get the data with the help of, you can just use the web scraping. I think it is also the basic way to scrap all the image. If you want to just predict any like between a cat and dog, you can just scrape all the image in the Googles, and with the help of web scraping like beautiful soap or a selenium. These are the two libraries of web scraping. So basically the first step is the gathering of data, the data where you will just fit to the model. So basically I think it is clear to you. So the second step is the preparing the data. So preparing the data is basically like analysis of the data, like cleaning of the data. Suppose if you have the data sets, if there is some missing value, there is some some rows has missing value, some features have missing value, some target is not there. So basically you are just cleaning the data, you are just scaling the data. That's it. That is the preparing the data, so that you can't directly fill the if there is any missing data, can't directly fit that one to machine learning model. So basically it will just show you an error, so you have to just clean up the data. So basically you can perform various type of that. I will explain you in practical part. The third is the choosing of a model. So choosing a model is basically that whenever if anyone, suppose if you are downloading or if you are taking part in competition, so basically you have to analyze the data set. So data set is basically it is a like a regression data set, or it is a like classification data set. Suppose if there is a classification between a cat and dog, then there will be a different data sets. That is for classification algorithm you will use. I will go through each and all every algorithm of classification and regression. And for house price prediction, there is a continuous value regression. So basically we will perform linear regression. So which type of the model we will choose is depend upon the data sets. Or data set is for classification, or data set is for like prediction part, or like predicting any continuous value like house price prediction. So there are many algorithm. I will go each and algorithm like linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, SVM, and so on, so on, so on. I will just each for like linear regression, logistic regression. I will be separate video for each, and for each algorithm I will perform the practical part. I will take different data set for each algorithm. So this was about the choosing a model. So now training a model. So training is basically that you are now ready with the data, you have choose the data, you have built the model. Now you are just feeding the data set to a model. Basically you are just feeding the data set to a model, you are just training the data set. In this machine learning will learn from their from their data sets like you are doing. They will just extract the important feature, they will develop any patterns from there. They will just train on with the help of, means with the experience. So this is the mainly the training, means here in this step the model is just trained. Okay, now the fifth part is come evaluation of the data. Evaluation of means basically you have trained your machine learning model. Evaluation of a model mainly means whenever it comes the time you want to see the model, it is giving you a good accuracy. How the loss is there, if the loss is more, then you are just moving to hyperparameter tuning. In hyperparameter tuning what you are doing, you are just adjusting the all the loss function. You are just creating this all thing. I will explain you more when I will teach you deep learning part. So basically in evaluation part of a model, basically that you are just checking the model, how your model is giving your accuracy and loss. That's it. In hyperparameter tuning is that whenever your model is not giving any good accuracy, and whenever your model is overfit or underfit, that's this overfit and underfit I will explain you in next video. So just focus on that. The hyperparameter is tuning, just you will change the some parameter so that you will get some good accuracy, or there will the loss will be like it will be decrease, it will become less. So these are the hyperparameter tuning. Now the last part is prediction part. In prediction part, it is like a just you have just trained your model. Now it will predict on the unseen data, like unseen data before that the data has not been seen in the training part. That's the prediction part. So these are the 7 steps. So we will follow in each step in the practical part when we will use any algorithm. So this was the, and we have this type of algorithm. And in next class I will teach you linear regression, and then after that we will move to practical part. I think that's it for this video. Thank you.